Yo my man, stick around until the end of this video and I'm going to show you exactly how to get a completely unlimited free AI API key for all your pro level coding projects. But look, if you haven't seen part 1 yet, go hit that link in the description to get your Ollama server running on Colab first. That is the foundation you need for this trick. Once you're set up, come right back here. Ready? Let's cook. Jump into your terminal and type screen-s tunnel. We are building the bridge. Now, drop that magic Pinggy command from my Patreon post, the one starting with SSH-P443. When it asks to continue, just type yes and hit enter. Boom! There is your golden HTTPS link. Copy it right now. But before we plug into the matrix, I need to see the real squad. If you're feeling this free API loophole, do me a solid and drop an FLA in the comments right now. That stands for Free Learning Academy, and it's how we keep these secrets coming. Now, head over to VS Code, open the Cline extension, and set your provider to Ollama. Paste your Pinggy link into the base URL box, but here is the vital trick. Add a /v1 at the end of that URL so it works perfectly. Set your model ID to Quen 3.59b. Hit done, and you are officially in the game. Let's test the power. Tell Cline to create a highly attractive Hello World web page. Just look at that speed. You can use this method for any coding automation or AI agent completely free and unlimited. Every command and detail is waiting for you in that one single Patreon post linked in the description. If this leveled up your dev game, smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.